Coming out of my room, accidentally I saw Ali. Opened the room door, and I saw him playing his guitar. Oh, such a melody, what a melody. Out of the room, on my way out the door, and I bumped into a friend of mine. His name was called Abu. He told me a funny thing. He said I should pay 20 million per day. I replied, I said no. Why should I pay? Ridiculous. Such a melody, melody. I heard a melody, melody from me that motivated me. We came out distressed, finding out we would play some good melody. Then we were like, oh, let's go to girls' side. We could get some cheeks. to resist the lead. What a melody, power of melody. That was the end of the end.
Paul was a great singer, man.
He was a great music. Right now, we are coming to the friend. He said we should go over there to sing the melody, and I kicked against it and said no, I ain't going to sing that, because there was a dog staring at me. And I freaked out and said no. Oh, such a melody.
Come on, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Don't finish this music, man. It's just
I'm not going to finish this music, cause I know some brothers are listening up there from the third floor of a long sit. Oh, gee, yeah, let me be it.
It's a great music, man.